Hi guys, we're here now in Interlaken, Oz. We're going to Bern to attend Filipino fiesta something. So actually guys, punta na ako for the food. So let's go there. Good luck. See you there. Ciao. So I'm already here now in the train. So actually ang laki ng train ko today. So ganun lang, I'll go there. Quiet lang tayo because they don't like actually they don't like so loud here. And then the reason why I want to go in Bern just to attend this Filipino fiesta something and to connect other Pinoys here in Switzerland also, and also para makakain guys, ganon lang dapat. So see you later, alligator. Ciao. So guys, actually it's my first time to attend the Filipino food festival here in Switzerland. So I hope hindi maraming pagkain and maraming din akong mamimit na Pinoys there. So yun lang. So here in abroad, you need to connect also to other Filipino in order to, para mawala yung ano mo ba, yung something like homesick mo. So ganun lang. And then ang Filipino Food Festival dito sa Switzerland is once a year lang sila. And they held it every summer. And then I don't know kung may specific date ba sila, but so it's my first time to attend Filipino Food Festival here in Switzerland. So let's see anong bang meron doon. Hi guys, we just arrived here in Bern. Actually, ang init dito guys. Super init dito. Parang sa ano lang, sa Philippines lang. Pero mali yung outfit natin dito guys. Pero mostly sa city kasi is mas init siya compare sa Philippines, compare sa mountain. So nakatari ako sa mountain guys. So I don't know ano ba yung sasakyan ko guys. Let's see ano ba yung sasakyan natin dito.
Babaeng